Hi again. Okay, now that we've learned how to move around a file and how to move around a single line of text, so I'm moving down, I'm moving up, I'm jumping to the end of each word or to the beginning. What we should learn next is how to actually type something into the file, how to insert text. And the way you do that is you press the letter I for insert. And that takes you into insert mode. And you can see the word insert appears at the bottom. And now I can type something in.
That's what this is, right? So it currently matches iPhone developer.
So when I'm in insert mode, as I type in letters, they actually are inserted into the file. And when I'm done inserting, I press escape to leave insert mode.
Why don't you show me how to
So trying that again, if I want to insert here, and move around, let's say I want to type something here, I press I, and I type something in. Now I'm typing in insert mode. And this is the biggest difference between Vim and really every other editor in the world. So most editors that you ever would use or may be familiar with, when you want to insert something, you just start typing. But with Vim, you have to first press I and then start typing. And the reason you need to press I is to enter insert mode. When you're done inserting, then you press escape to leave insert mode. So another example, let me press move back to the beginning of this line using caret, and then I'll go E and I'll go to the end of that line. Now I press I, I'm in insert mode, and again I'm typing something in. And I press escape to finish inserting. And you might ask yourself, well, why in the world would you ever finish inserting? Isn't that why you use an editor?
No,
to just keep inserting text? Well, the reason is that in Vim, you have all these other commands that are available when you're not in insert mode, like B and E to move around the line, and F to search for another letter. If you were in insert mode and you started typing B and E and F, those letters would just get inserted into the file there. So a key concept with Vim is to learn the habit of pressing I to start inserting.
Right.
Starting to type, for example. And then when I'm done typing, I press escape. Now I'm free to run other Vim commands. So let me just give you a couple other variations on inserting that are really useful. One is the command A for append. So if I press A instead of I, it puts me in insert mode, but after the current letter. So now I can start typing here. And again, I press escape to leave insert mode. So there's a subtle difference there. If I pressed I would start typing before the letter. So you can see how, let me do that again. See how my cursor's on the letter E? If I press I here, I begin to insert before that E, which is not really what I want. So I hit escape. I'm actually pressing U here to undo. If I want to insert something after the letter E or after the word type, I need to press A to append. Again, now I'm starting to type here. A couple other similar commands are capital I. Capital I means insert at the beginning of the line. And this is really useful. So it jumps to the beginning and puts me in insert mode, and now I can type here. And similarly, if I press capital A, it takes me to the end of the line, puts me in insert mode. Now I can append to the end. So that's really useful. So just to review, I'll jump back to where the word Alan is here. I'll press capital F, capital A. That searches backward to where the capital A is. I'll press I, and I can put in my name as if I were one of these open source developers. And press escape to finish inserting. Now I'll jump forward to the end of a couple of words. And now I want to insert, but I want to insert after the letter E. So I'll press A to append. And I'll type in someone else's name here. And again, I'll hit escape to finish inserting. And let's say I wanted to type something at the beginning of the line. I press capital I. Puts me in insert mode, but at the beginning of the line. This is the beginning of the line.
And that's not your key, that's the key that Brooklyn created somehow tied to
Or if I want to insert something at the end, I would press capital A, and now I'm typing at the end.
Yeah, I wonder too.
So
I wonder if it's something I need to
these are sort of the key commands you need to learn to start inserting text into a file. Hope this was helpful. So just to review again, lowercase I to insert, escape to stop inserting, lowercase a to append, and escape to end appending.
Okay.
Similarly, capital I takes me to the beginning to insert, and capital A
To tell, yes.
takes me to the end to append.